This video is made for ICSE students who are writing their exam in 2021. In this video, I'm going to teach how to mark, set and label on the outline map of India. Map pointing is in part 1 compulsory question number 2, which consists of 10 marks. To make our work neat and clean, easy and to avoid overcrowding, I have divided the map matter into 8 maps topic wise. So here comes the first map, number 1. The topic of the map is Rivers of India. Students are requested to have copies of outline map of India, color pencils and map matter written in advance. So here we go like this. Number 1 river is Indus River. Indus, this river starts from near Manaswar Lake in southwest Tibet and flows towards northwest direction, and it goes like this. So you have to use a blue watercolor, and rivers are already marked with a black line, but overwrite with the blue right from the source to the mouth, and it drains into Arabian Sea here. This is the distributaries, and here it starts. This outermost river is the Indus River. Very important thing that this being a outline map of India, you are to write the name here. So this number 1 river Indus, you're going to write Indus within India, Indus like this with a black ink pen. Okay, I'm going to write 1 for you. Indus, D-U-S, Indus. So it should be within the international boundary of India, not towards the China, not towards Pakistan, in India. Okay, similarly, Jhelum River, the first, the Indus River has all the tributaries on the left bank. So first tributary of the Indus is Jhelum, which starts from Wular Lake of Kashmir, then comes down like this and flows very short distance in India, then enters Pakistan and joins with the Indus here. So this second river is your Jhelum River. Okay, this is the Chenab and Ravi, which is not there in the syllabus for 2021 batch, and this is a BS river that is also reduced. And another Trans-Himalayan river, the Satluj, starts from almost from the same place near Manaswar Lake in southwest Tibet and flows towards like this. It's already marked. I'm just overwriting with the blue color. You may do it nicely later on, but to save our time, I'm just doing it once only. Okay, so these are the 3 rivers. So first one Indus, second one is Jhelum, because I have written already the name listed out here according to the serial order. So I'll just write the number here. This is the Jhelum River. In case of river, you write the name over here only. So you write, I'm just writing Jhelum here. Okay, Jhelum here, like this. Okay. Then the third river, the Satluj, you can write on the river. Okay, name should be written on the river. So you write here Satluj, S-A-T-L-U-J, Satluj. So third river is gone. The fourth river is the Ganga, which is the very, very important lifeline of India. Ganga starts from a Gomukh glacier 14 km north of Gangotri. Here, this is the second from this side. This one is the Ganga river and comes down like this, and here This is the Allahabad and Varanasi, and going down to Bihar, entering Bihar, then goes to West Bengal, and from here near Malda it enters Bangladesh. But when it enters Bangladesh, Ganga becomes Padma, or Bengali people call it Padda. So this is Padda. You don't have to label this portion in Bangladesh, but only up to here Ganga. So this is the main river. Okay, then number 4. Okay, this is Ganga. So I'm writing number. Okay, here this is the Ganga. I write G. Okay, G, or you can write full time. Okay, Ganga. In India. Okay, then number Gomti, the first left bank. When you look downstream, on your left hand is the left bank, on your right is right bank. So the first left bank tributary of the Ganga is Gomti. This one, a famous river, flows through Lucknow city of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so this is Gomti. You can do arrow mark here like this. Okay, you can do arrow mark here. Gomti, you can write here. Gomti. So this one, Gomti. Next one is Ghagra. This one is a Ghagra river, and little up it has got two tributary, and one goes this side and one goes this side. Don't label it above. Here you write, you label it when these two tributary meets each other. Here you write Ghagra, G-H-A-G-H-R-A, Ghagra. Then comes here Yamuna. This is Gandak and Kosi in this year's syllabus, not there. So now you go to the right bank. As I said, you look downstream on your right. This is the first, Yamuna is the first right bank tributary. Yamuna starting from the Yamunotri glacier in Uttarakhand, comes down like this, and here, and joins with the Ganga at a place called Allahabad. Okay, so this is the Yamuna. So I write here name Yamuna. Okay, Yamuna. After that comes another famous river rising from the Vindhya range. This is the Chambal river, and Chambal river is actually the tributary of the Yamuna. Okay, so this is your Chambal. So I'm writing here C-H-A-M-B-L, Chambal. Next river is Betwa. This one is Betwa, also rising from the Vindhya range. Okay, this is Betwa. I'll write the name on the river, Betwa. Okay, then this is Son Rihan, not there in the syllabus this year. Okay, I go straight to Brahmaputra. Here, this river is a Sangpo river in Tibet, and when it enters India from here, Namcha Barwa peak, this is the Namcha Barwa peak, in this gap, river, the river was flowing to east direction, but from here it turns to a south, and this is Arunachal Pradesh. It has got different name, Dihang, but when it reaches the plain of Assam, this becomes Brahmaputra. So Brahmaputra, you can set right from here, goes down to a place called Dhubri. This is the Bangladesh border. So and this Brahmaputra, when it enters Bangladesh, it becomes Jamuna, but you don't have to label this outside India. So this is your Brahmaputra. You write the name here, Brahmaputra here. Okay, Brahmaputra is this one. Then now we go to the southern rivers. This is the Mahanadi river, famous river of Orissa. It's starting from Maikala range here. Here is the Raipur. So here comes down. This is your Mahanadi. I can write the name on the river. Okay, Mahanadi. Then comes this famous river, the Ganga of the South, Godavari. And it's coming from Nasik or the Maharashtra. This is the Godavari. So I can write the name on the river. Okay. After that, here comes the Krishna River, also rising from the Western Ghat in Maharashtra. So this is Krishna. Okay. You have to mark it with blue a little bit distinctly, but I'm just doing lightly once only. Okay. You have to do 2-3 times, and then the black line should be shaded with again converted into blue color. Okay. Then next one is Tungabhadra. On the right bank of the Krishna River, this is the right bank, there is a major tributary of the Krishna River. This river is called Tungabhadra. But important thing that you have to keep in your mind is that if you are asked to label the Tungabhadra river, you say it only this portion. Tungabhadra is only this portion. Any tributary river, when it joins with the main river, it loses its identity. So Tungabhadra is only up to here. Many times students are shading right up to here and labeling somewhere over here, and it becomes wrong. Only Tungabhadra is only. The main river is Krishna, tributary is Tungabhadra. So I can write the name here, Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra. Okay. Next river is Kaveri, the very famous river of South India. Okay, so it is starting from Karnataka, then finally it flows through Tamil Nadu. And this river is famous because the volume of the river increases 2 times during the southwest monsoon season also, northeast monsoon season also. So this area of India receives double rain, double monsoon, southwest monsoon as well as northeast monsoon causes rainfall. So this river swells up twice a year. So this is very famous river, a very unique river. So this is your Kaveri. You can write Cauveri also. You can write Kaveri also. So this is Kaveri. And now there are 2 west flowing rivers. The first one, lower one, smaller one, is your Tapi. Tapi flows through this fault line of this block mountain range, north of Ajanta, south of Satpura, in between Ajanta and Satpura range it flows. So this is Tapi. So I can write the name on the river, okay, not below. So this is another famous river. Several dams have been built across this river, Narmada River. So I write the name here, Narmada River, Narmada. Okay. So like this, there are 17 rivers as per the further reduced syllabus of ICSE 2021.